So we're in the airport right now. We're just about to get on our plane to the country. Wow.
Who put the letters in the order they're in? Who put the letters in that order? I think it's time to change everything. It should go M-N-O-P-Q-R-S-T-U-V-W X-Y-Z A-B-C-D-E-F-G-H-I J-K-L 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 J-K-L.
So we've had another stressful morning. I'm not actually sure when it's going to stop, to be honest. So woke up this morning to find our bilge pump. Our bilges are full of water with some oil inside, so I don't know. On top of that, we've got to fix our alternator to leave. So the weather's getting worse. So whenever we feel like we've just got one task left to accomplish, there's always something else that we have to do as well, something else that pops up. And then we solve that, and then something else pops up, and it just seems never ending at this point. We've opened up the engine room, can't see anything, but of course Edouard points out that if oil's coming from the engine, then it goes straight to the bilge pump, so we won't see it. And then yesterday, that someone gave us like some stuff for the kitchen, which was awesome, like pots and pans and that. Tried to go back in the dinghy, and then the dinghy just stopped working halfway through. So we had to paddle back with a ton of stuff in the dinghy, and I think we're just utterly exhausted now. It's not fun anymore. But no, it's just a process. It wouldn't be an interesting journey unless it was a journey like this, so gonna just try and find a resolution today. So what we're trying to do, we're trying to get through our issues one by one. This is our depth sounder. These are the reasons why it shouldn't work. Because for some reason it's working in the shop, it's not working on the boat. So today has been a good day so far, because what have we succeeded so far? The alternator's been fixed.
Yeah, it was just not properly plugged.
We've also now got solar power, haven't we?
Yeah.
On the roof.
A friend of us lent us a solar panel, and I just plug ours. And it works.
So that's a good thing. And now what we're just trying to do, we're trying to troubleshoot the depth sounder. So Edward's making a direct connection with our cables to the depth sounder, and then we're going to just chuck it overboard and see what happens. But that's the thing, when you have something that goes wrong on the boat, it seems like a big deal, but actually the solution is very simple. It's more than likely not directly the problem with the thing that isn't working. It's usually something else connected to it, like a wire or a plug. But we started off the day rough, but it feels better each day, but we're progressing each day. So what are you doing?
It's not the proper things, it's not the proper cable, it's not the proper ply as well.
But it's the best that we've got right now. So I think we're doing a good job.
So this bilge pump, and we'll plug it directly. Stop to do this. good connection. 12.3. So I'll just make sure our cable is.
Okay, it's just the moment of truth then.
Just don't drop it too far. Just put it like a knot or something. Okay.
Yeah, she's in probably about 4 feet.
No, but we don't have to put in the water. Huh? Just the sounder have to be as if it was in the boat, Lizzie.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're doing at the moment, we've got an oil spill, and it's going into our bilges. So we want to find out where exactly it's coming from, and also we don't like oil going into our bilges and going into the water. So we've got a crappy bit of foam we don't care about. I'm going to stick it under the engine, and we're going to put the oil in, and we'll see exactly where the leak's coming from. Even if there is a leak, could be a simple, I don't know. But there's one way to find out, isn't there, Rodney? Monge 2, Rogers, Monge 2. Try not to disconnect anything away. This might be too fat. Oh no, it's working.
It put 400 milliliters.
It's nothing yet. Still no oil. We've actually had a lot of progress today, haven't we?
Yes.
The day got started a bit rough, but today, what have we sorted out, Edward?
We found the problem with the alternator. It wasn't just, it was a wire problem. It wasn't plugged correctly, which is nothing. After that, we plugged the solar panel. It's on the roof, so now we have our own solar panel. And the friends of us, the neighbors, they lent us another solar panel. So all the batteries are charged. Just with the small switch like this, we plug the only device we have.
And another thing that I'm very happy with, we haven't got it on there for you.
Yeah, I can.
Yay! We've got running water. Very, very happy with that because I know we've had a really tough couple of days, really tough, and it just shows that the biggest problems there's always a solution. So we're getting her up and rolling. The freezer is disgusting, so my goal is to clean that out, get some gas for the stove, and we're gonna have our first meal. And also I'll show you just one more thing which is super cool. We now have a shower.
And the toilet.
And the toilet. Look at our beautiful toilet. So, ta-da! We can have a beautiful shower. Yeah, because.
You want to write these names?
Water pump.
Ta-da!
This one's bilge pump.
No, it's not plugged.
This one's bilge pump.
Try it. Ah! Bilge pump.
I'm believing that you're in love with me. had a very good day today, and I think what Papageno has been missing, apart from two master and rigging, it's a bit of music.
All the good Lord, when we're all alone.
Yeah, you turn me on.
Hooked on a feeling, I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. I'm
All the
hooked on a
best.
feeling.
Da, 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 da. You having a good time there, sweetheart?
I'm having the first shower in the boat.
How'd you feel?
I feel very good. It's a proper bathroom now.
This is the happiest I've seen you in the past 2 days.
Bah ouais. Wasn't easy, huh?
No.
I'm clean.
Do we have coffee?
So here we are at the bar. We've been working very hard on Papageno, and the girls have decided to enjoy themselves.
Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers!
All the best. We deserve this. Passage tomorrow.
One of y'all grab that camera and get a picture of you.
I'm talking?
Yeah, you're talking right now.
Hi. We're here on our ladies' night. I'm very sad because Papageno is actually ready to leave Tortola. It's not okay.
not
Makes me
okay.
sad because I'm gonna miss this human who makes me very happy. Super happy. Lizzie! And we're on a ladies' night with these beautiful people, Ocean Nomads, Charlotte Matthews. She's getting freaky. But we are having a great time and I love these ladies
And we deserve
we're gonna
it
miss.
tonight.
We deserve it. We
We've been
deserve
working
it.
so hard. We deserve
She has
it.
been working, I mean, I haven't been working that hard. I have not been working on Papageno, to be fair. I just, no. But she has been working very, very hard and she deserves all the drinks.
I do.
And all the goodness. So, happy days. We're gonna miss her. Tortola will miss these people. Bye, guys. Love you. Oh, love you too. Doesn't. I was trying.
So the girls have just actually got a reminder.
It's time to drink water.
It's time to drink water. What kind of phone dictates to our life?
I asked for it to tell me to drink more water, but the sad thing is,
Girls' night.
Elizabeth,
Girls' night.
usually I'm either drinking coffee.
Also, you
tequila.
never drink. You never drink alcohol. It's the first time.
First time ever.
The first time. I love that there's a red glow because it's a glow of sin right now. Look at this. That's the laugh of the devil. If you've never heard Lucifer, this is Lucy for you.
I feel like the moment I take this piece out,
Oh.
Oh no, but you put all the right side now too.
Oh, okay.
yeah, girl. Wait, it's my turn.
It's over. It's over. Let it go. There she goes. There she got it. Maybe.
So, it's the morning after the night before. It's our last day in Nanny Cay. Me and Edouard are leaving to go to Virgin Gorda. Check out there. So it's going to be about a 3-4 hour motor sail. And then we're going to head to St Maarten's tomorrow. And I think the wind's going to be okay. I mean, tomorrow we're going to be going right into the wind. It's going to be 11 knots today. What is it today?
13, 14.
13, 14 knots. So Edward's been working really, really hard on everything. We had some engine situation with the coolant and the oil leaking, but Edward's fixed the coolant problem. He's screwed up his leg by, oh no, doing anchor duty. But we're all getting ready to leave now, so that means we need to secure everything, put everything away, charge our phone with our app, Navionics, I think it's called. Ready to go. It's good for you, baby guy. We've actually just left Nanny Cay. We're saying bye-bye to Nanny Cay. We've been here for a month with Papageno working our asses off. And now we're motoring to
Lisdoonvarna. It's a small island on the way to St Maarten. So we are experiencing the motor and trying to know if she's strong enough to go to St Maarten.
Yeah. How do you feel about leaving Nanny Cay?
I had a very good time here, but yeah, I like to explore the... There is so many islands. It's good to change and to go to explore, I think.
It's time to go, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's definitely time to go. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy it.
Land ahoy! If I was a sailor, I'd wear a navy blazer.
Ta-da!
Cutthroat razor.
Oh, she's beautiful though. She's so beautiful.
Yeah, I think I'll sail the 7 seas, because the sea is the place for me. I would shout land ahoy, 'cause I'm the sailor boy, and drink rum all night, 'cause I'm living the pirate life. Yeah, I think I'll sail the 7 seas, because the sea is the place for me. Swimming in the sea, drinking rum sounds like a good way to have some fun. Yeah, I think I'll sail the 7 seas, because the sea is the place for me.
Wait. Oh, it's complicated. This.
Your farts stink.
Yeah.